Let's explore the amazing process of photosynthesis and how plants create energy from sunlight. Photosynthesis is the fundamental process that allows plants to convert sunlight into chemical energy, supporting nearly all life on Earth. First, let's understand what photosynthesis actually is and why it matters. Photosynthesis is a chemical process where plants convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in glucose molecules. This process occurs primarily in the leaves of plants and in certain types of bacteria. As a crucial byproduct, photosynthesis produces oxygen, which is essential for the survival of most organisms on our planet. Inside plant cells, specialized structures called chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, the green pigment that captures light energy. Let's look at the overall chemical equation for photosynthesis. The equation shows that 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water, using light energy, produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Here we can visualize the reactants on the left, carbon dioxide, water, and light energy, being transformed into the products on the right, glucose and oxygen. Photosynthesis occurs in 2 main stages with different requirements and products. The first stage consists of light-dependent reactions that require sunlight. In the light-dependent reactions, light energy is captured and converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH molecules. These reactions take place in the thylakoid membranes, which are stacked structures inside chloroplasts. The products of this stage are ATP for energy, NADPH as an electron carrier, and oxygen, which is released as a waste product. The second stage is the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle is a series of reactions that occur in a circular pathway, using the ATP and NADPH from the first stage. This cycle uses the energy from ATP and the electrons from NADPH to convert carbon dioxide into glucose sugar. These reactions take place in the stroma, which is the fluid-filled space surrounding the thylakoids. The Calvin cycle takes 3 carbon dioxide molecules and uses 9 ATP and 6 NADPH to eventually produce glucose. Several environmental factors can affect the rate of photosynthesis. Light intensity affects how much energy is available, with photosynthesis rate increasing up to a certain point. Temperature also plays a crucial role, as enzymes work best within specific temperature ranges. Increasing light intensity boosts photosynthesis until the plant reaches its saturation point, where other factors become limiting. Higher carbon dioxide concentrations provide more raw material for the Calvin cycle, increasing the photosynthesis rate. Temperature affects the enzymes involved in photosynthesis, with optimal rates typically between 25 and 35 degrees Celsius. Water availability is crucial, as it's a key reactant, and water stress can significantly slow down photosynthesis. Let's explore why photosynthesis is so vital for life on Earth. Photosynthesis is the foundation of most food chains, produces the oxygen we breathe, stores energy in organic molecules, and helps regulate Earth's climate. Photosynthesis produces virtually all the oxygen in our atmosphere, which is essential for aerobic respiration in animals and other organisms. Plants form the base of most food chains, converting solar energy into chemical energy that flows through ecosystems. By removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, photosynthesis plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate and carbon cycle. Either directly or indirectly, photosynthesis provides the energy source for nearly all life forms on our planet. Let's review the key points about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process that converts light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in glucose. It occurs in 2 stages, the light-dependent reactions that capture energy, and the Calvin cycle that builds glucose. The process requires 3 key ingredients: sunlight for energy, water as a reactant, and carbon dioxide as the carbon source. The main products are glucose, which stores energy, and oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is absolutely essential for life on Earth, supporting food chains and maintaining our oxygen supply.